The Google Nest Cam battery is designed for simple do-it-yourself setup, working seamlessly both indoors and outdoors. Let's walk through the initial setup and mounting process step by step. Before you begin, make sure you have downloaded the Google Home app on your smartphone and created a Google account if you don't already have one. These are essential prerequisites for the setup process. Your Nest Cam battery package includes everything you need for installation: the camera itself, a magnetic base, wall plate, screws and anchors, a charging cable with power adapter, and a quick start guide. The first and most important step is to fully charge your camera before mounting. Connect the charging cable and wait approximately 5 hours. The status light will turn solid white when the camera is fully charged and ready for use. For mounting, you have two options. The magnetic base works perfectly on metal surfaces without any screws. For other surfaces like wood or drywall, you'll need to attach the wall plate first using the provided screws and anchors. Nest recommends mounting your camera between 6 and 6.5 feet high for optimal motion detection. If you need to mount it higher than 6.5 feet, make sure to use the secure loop accessory to prevent the camera from falling. Finally, choose your mounting location carefully. Select a spot with a clear view, avoiding obstructions and backlighting. For outdoor installations, consider placing the camera in a shaded area to protect it from direct sunlight and improve video quality. With your camera properly charged and mounted in the optimal location, you're ready for the next phase: connecting to the Google Home app and exploring the key features that make your Nest Cam battery a powerful security solution. Before connecting your Nest Cam to the Google Home app, ensure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that the camera will use. This is essential for proper setup and communication between devices. Open the Google Home app and add your Nest Cam battery by scanning the QR code located on the camera. The app will guide you through the setup process step by step. Your Nest Cam battery includes advanced AI-powered alerts that can detect and notify you about people, packages, animals, and vehicles. These intelligent features help you stay informed about important activity around your home. The Nest Cam battery delivers high-quality 1080p HD video with a wide field of view. Battery life typically ranges from 1.5 to 7 months, depending on your usage patterns and activity levels. While your camera functions without a subscription, Nest Aware plans unlock additional features. Nest Aware Plus includes familiar face alerts and extended video history, enhancing your security experience. Important note: the battery will not charge at temperatures below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Looking ahead, expect continued improvements in AI features and enhanced integration with other smart home devices.